I've recently acquired this LED filament bulb, but it had failed after, I think, 8 to 10 hours of use. It was installed in the basement, and I think after a week or so, it just wouldn't turn on again. And I really like these bulbs because they are spreading the light all around it. This one here is a similar one. It's just a bigger one with 6 watts, and they say retro design here, but I don't think this is really a retro design because you can't really look into it. It's just too bright for a retro design. I think they are a great replacement, but we have to find out what actually happened here and why this bulb failed. Okay, this wasn't too bad. I just pinched the top of the socket a little bit and it came loose, and in here is a circuit board covered in some sort of goo. I will get rid of it, and we can see here in the socket there's a component. Okay, so the autopsy is complete. I've successfully re-engineered the circuitry. As I've mentioned before, in the socket there was this resistor with a value of 47 ohms. It's just to limit the inrush current when the fixture is switched on. And here is the capacitive dropper. It consists of two 220 nanofarad caps. I'm not quite sure about the exact value of these. It seems reasonable, so I guess these values are correct. And down here there's a 360 kilo ohm discharge resistor across both of these caps. This feeds directly into one side of the bridge rectifier. Neutral feeds directly into it. This little wire here is the neutral connection. And the positive side and negative side come out, and then there are these 4 filaments, and there are 2 in series and 2 of these pairs are parallel, and also there's this 200 kilo ohm resistor across. And I've also found out what failed here, and first I thought it was one of the filaments, but actually the positive side of the bridge rectifier has no connection. It's absolutely gone open circuit. There's no connection to any of the other connections. That's what failed. I would be interested to know if someone else had this problem with failing bridge rectifier in these lamps.